What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So just to tell you, I'm about to go all in on Dogecoin. I mean, absolutely go all in. With all the cash that I have left in my Webull account, I'm about to go all in on Dogecoin for a little bit and try and just double that amount that we have in there very, very quickly. So I'm about to put $9,000 into Dogecoin. I currently have $1,000, so it'll be a total of $10,000 into Dogecoin, but I'm looking for the right price. So basically, I'm going to be doing an analysis and I'm going to be looking at all these different things to break this stuff down and see where I'm going to buy at and where I think it's going to get to. And I hope that it doesn't have that massive push before I see or before I actually get into it. So before I get started in this, make sure you guys hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget to check out some of the links in the description. It does help out the channel. Now, we all know what Dogecoin is, right? It was created in 2013 as a joke. It's no longer a joke. People think that it couldn't be or have any usability, but we all know that it can have usability. You know, it basically can be that transaction-based currency, the currency that doesn't take over what the dollar is, but be that alternative solution to having a dollar, something that maybe grows in value instead of being tied to the dollar and being worth $1 the whole entire time. We can see this worth 30 cents, $1, $2, $5, whatever it can get to. We know that we have 129 billion coins. It is increasing every single day. We see that increasing, but we have 129 billion coins. It might be like 130 by now, but let's say it's 129. So 129 billion coins in supply, which is a lot. And if you want to, kind of look at comparisons, you can see that Ethereum, can get to what, a $1 trillion market cap, which would put them at like $10,000, $20,000 or so worth of value. I'm not 100% sure. I have to go back and look at my spreadsheet. But basically, you want to do the same thing with Dogecoin, saying that where can they get to if they had a $1 trillion market cap, right? They can get to about $5, maybe $7, maybe even a little bit more than that. But they can get to these levels that's definitely above $1. So people think that that ceiling is at $1. I don't. I think that the ceiling, might be at that $10 mark as the max ceiling, but then seeing $7 as like a lower option and $5 as a definite. So as long as you can see how that's broken down and the interest and the hype behind it, you can definitely see that we're going to see a large impact. Now, I wanted to talk about a number of things and why I think this is going to increase soon. Right. So the only thing that we can look at is Coinbase, right? We know that Coinbase now offers you to buy Doge. So you're allowed to buy Doge on Coinbase Pro. You have the option to buy it. It's no issue there. But it was kind of a silent release. So I didn't hear much about it. I knew it, but I didn't hear much about it because of the hype of AMC, GME, all of the movement. They did it within that increase. It wasn't a squeeze yet, but that increase. So doing it within there, it kind of hid what happened with Dogecoin. And now on Coinbase, it's the 66th most popular, I can't even say that, 66th most popular, got it, coin on there, which it should be probably one of the most popular coins on there. But it just got started, churning on that website, churning on that exchange. So we know that it's going to make those moves very quickly once people start to find this out. And I know there are videos that are created on it and, talking about this. So I'm going to put a lot into Dogecoin. I'm literally going all in on Dogecoin here. So, that's one point. Another point is we still haven't seen any adoption of businesses. We still haven't seen that usability of it yet. Eventually we will, once we start to see it, basically fix some things that are involved with it. I know Elon Musk is involved in fixing some things with it. So if we could see how that's being done, the usability, it might end up skyrocketing what we're seeing there. So ultimately, when I look at the chart, let's look at a breakdown of, let's say, 6 months. You can see where it went from. It went from that 4-cent mark very quickly up to 45 cents or so, 46 cents, dropped down to about 17 cents, increased all the way up to 74 cents. This is around SNL. And then SNL kind of just dropped off. Did increase again up to about 60 cents, 59, 60 cents, and then, really fell off. And I'm looking for it I would love to get into this position down here at 19 cents because I think it's definitely worth a lot higher than that. But I would tell you that I do believe that it's worth above 50 cents. So right now where it stands at 37 cents, it's definitely a buy. However, it does seem like it's on an uptrend and I want to catch it on the downtrend. So if we're going to see some sort of collapse a little bit, right now we are seeing a decrease in a lot of positions here. You can see that, Dogecoin's down, Bitcoin's down, Ethereum's down, all of these things are down. So that's what we want to see. And then we'll see that hover and consolidate. And that's what I want, that consolidation. Because if you get in when that consolidation happens, you're going to see some really big moves after the fact. So like I said, I'm thinking of putting $9,000 into Dogecoin, which would get me an estimate of 24,000 Dogecoin. And I already have about 2,800 or so. So I would basically put it all on Dogecoin that I have left and looking for that to increase or double in that amount. Now, this is going to be some money that I basically would gain from AMC. So it's going to basically be the initial investment that I had with AMC while all of my other investment with AMC sits there. So whatever I gain with there, I can make these kind of YOLO investments. Now it's not going to be something where it's not just a YOLO investment. It obviously has technical analysis behind it and usability, and I have a lot of reasons to why I would invest into this position. But like I said, I'm looking to quickly double it, and I know the potential that it can get to. There's a ton of other positions that I could buy into and easily make $1,000, $2,000, but I can easily make $10,000 here if I do see this skyrocket out of nowhere. So let me know what you think about this. I'm going to be looking into this all weekend, and obviously I need to wait for a crypto buying power to clear because I have about 9,000 in the account right now. Yeah, I have about 9,000 in the account right now, so I'm looking for looking to make a move. Looking to make a move there with that 9,000. And I already have Dogecoin and I'm down about $298. I bought in at 52 cents here. I did buy in on Robinhood as well. So I would look to move it all to Coinbase, but I think I wouldn't have enough time to do that. So what I'm going to do is take the money that's in Webull right now, make that move, sell at about the halfway point or when I gain about 100% on my money, and then, put some of that money or $10,000 of that money into Coinbase. So that's what I'm looking for. Let me know what you think about this overall decision. The opinions of, where I'm at when it comes to the amount of Doge that I have. I'll have about 26,000 coins of Dogecoin. So we'll see where that does get to. But anyways, let me know what you think about it. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell for more videos just like this one. And make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget to check out some of the links in the description. It does help out the channel a lot. Now, again, this is not something where I'm telling you, hey, go ahead and invest in Dogecoin. And I want to put this disclaimer out there. I'm not a financial advisor. This is merely just my opinion. So I'm not going to tell you, hey, go ahead and buy into Dogecoin, do what I'm doing. Don't risk your money and, do that because anything is a risk. If you want to diversify, then definitely diversify. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next